In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use the matrix to count labels instead of instances. So remember that by default, the matrix is an instance counter. So for example, the matrix that I have open here, you can see there are 14 instances. So there are 14 little clips or instances down here in the timeline. 14 of them have this date label, 14 of them have this Broadway label, and so on down the line. So we know that 9 of them have a safe label, and 5 of them have an unsafe label. Although I labeled this timeline in such a way that I wanted to count how many unsafe things a particular bicyclist did while they were in the intersection. So there were some instances where I actually labeled it with multiple unsafe labels. So now that this matrix by default gives me an instance count, I'm actually more interested in getting a label count, because that will give me a better idea of how many unsafe things a particular bicyclist did. So to get a label count instead of an instance count, I can just go to the settings gear up here on the matrix, get this little roll down window, and then just check the box count labels inside of instances. And you can see now that in this unsafe cell, I now have a 9. So watch if I uncheck it. So there's 5 instances there. But if I check this box, I know that there is actually 9 unsafe behaviors that happened in those 5 cells. So it's a simple setting, just check and uncheck, and you can get a different count there to reflect what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.